You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this interesting word. I know it's a bit confusing, quite confusing indeed. Let's break it down. The pronunciation in English is as subterranean. British English and American English pronunciations are similar as subterranean. Subterranean. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.